Welcome to another no-nonsense Airbnb video. In this one, I will show you how you can extract email address and phone numbers of all your previous guests who have stayed at your property on VRBO. Most of these websites do not really share or do not really let the host see the actual contact details like phone number and email address of the guest because of obvious reasons. You may start reaching out directly to them, bypassing these platforms. But I've noticed VRBO doesn't seem to be doing that, and you can very easily export email address, phone number, and first name and the last name of all the guests who have stayed at your property or who have had a confirmed reservation with you pretty easily. And then you can use that information to market your direct booking website, to invite them again, send them an offer, whichever way you think your business will benefit by having these direct contact options for your previous guests. It's pretty simple once you know where to go. Try and do this from VRBO website. I don't think VRBO phone app will let you do this. First, you need to log into vrbo.com. Once logged in, hover to the top right section. You will see your name. Click on that and click on Owner Dashboard. And this will land you to your hosting dashboard. Next, you need to go to Inbox. The option I'm going to show you earlier, it used to be under reservation list, but they have recently moved it. You just need to go to Inbox. And then when you scroll to the top right, you will see these three dots. Click on those three dots and click on Download. This will download a CSV comma separated value list of all the people who have stayed in your property or even who have had sent you inquiries. And when you open that list, I won't be able to expand this list to show you the full email address and phone numbers of these people because that will not be fair for me to share someone's contact and phone numbers on a YouTube video. But in column F, you will see this is all the email addresses of all those people who have had a confirmed reservation. Anyone who has canceled, yes, you can see their details as well. But anyone who sent you an inquiry but never booked, you won't be able to see their details. But anyone who has confirmed their reservation once, you will get their details. In column F is the email address, G is the phone number. I think this is a very valuable data if you look at it from a host perspective because you could try and market your direct booking website, send an offer to all these people, inviting them to book your property directly from your website without paying any commission to all these platforms. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.